Hello, and welcome to this segment of Consumer Reports. My name is Michael Arigot, and I represent the Mighty Ducts on our search for dynamic duct tape. In our experiments, we tested 3 different brands of duct tape: Nashua duct tape, tartan duct tape, and 3M all-purpose duct tape. Our first test was resistance. For this, we set up a testing apparatus where a constant flow of sand poured from one bucket to another through a hole with a 1/2 inch diameter. That bucket was connected by string to a clamp holding the end of a piece of duct tape 1 foot long pressed to the table. We used the stopwatch on Alex's iPhone to measure the time it took for the weight of the sand to peel the tape off the table. Here you can see Charlie starting the sand flow, and Michael start the time as they wait for the tape to peel. Our second test was tearability. For this test, we set up a similar testing apparatus where a constant flow of sand poured from one bucket to another once again through the same 1/2 inch diameter hole. That bucket was again connected by string to the bottom of a clamped hinge holding one end of a piece of tape that ran across the rip zone and through another stationary clamp. Once again, using Alex's iPhone, we measured the time it took for the weight of the sand to rip or tear the tape into 2 pieces. Our third and final test was stickiness. For this test, we simply took 1 foot long pieces of tape and recorded their mass on a scale. We then laid these pieces of tape sticky side down into a paint tray full of sand. We then used a piece of plywood to firmly press the tape into the sand. Finally, we measured the mass of the tape again to see how much sand each brand of tape could pick up. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you join us again next time when we see what kind of duct tape is best for removing all of Dr. Bakrania's back hair.